If you are looking for the best air impact wrench, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Ingersoll Rand 2235 Timax Drive Air Impact. This wrench offers the most torque of any 1/2 air impact wrench that we reviewed, at 1,350 feet lbs of torque. Users appreciated that the wrench is still suitable for smaller jobs, however, thanks to the fact that the output torque has 4 power settings that are easy to switch between. Despite this outsized amount of power, the pistol-shaped wrench weighs in at only 4.6 pounds and can rotate at speeds of 8,500 revolutions per minute, putting it on par with less powerful and more expensive competitors. The design is durable enough. Number 2. AIRCAT 1150 Killer Torque Impact Wrench. This compact air impact wrench from AIRCAT is slightly larger than the comparable compact wrench from Ingersoll Rand and has a lower power output, but makes up for these downsides with user-friendly features. The wrench can output 900 feet lbs of torque, and for light work can actually be faster than the 35 MAX from Ingersoll Rand, since it spins at up to 9,000 revolutions per minute. Users loved the ergonomically designed grip on this tool, especially when using it for longer periods. Plus, this wrench uses AIRCAT's noise reduction technology to operate at under 90 decibels. Number 3. NitroCat 1200K Composite Air Impact Wrench. The power is thanks to the twin clutch mechanism, which differs from the twin hammer mechanism found on most other impact wrenches. Although users find it to be somewhat slower 1 to 2 seconds per bolt, they also note that it feels as easy to take off rusted, stuck-on bolts as it does to take off clean new bolts with this driver. The construction of this impact wrench is also very clean and designed with user-friendliness in mind. The grip is ergonomic and the wrench weighs in at only 4.5 pounds. Number 4. Ingersoll Rand 35 MAX Ultra Compact Impact. This 1/2 drive air impact wrench from Ingersoll Rand is designed to be lightweight and compact. As such, the power output is nothing to write home about 650 feet lbs of torque, but the compact design means you can place that torque in difficult-to-access spots without resorting to an uncomfortable inline impact wrench. Instead, users found the pistol grip on this wrench to be extremely comfortable and the 2.4-pound weight to be almost negligible compared to other wrenches. Despite the small size, the wrench is still relatively loud at 96 decibels. The wrench also has a 3-speed power regulator for precise bolt adjustments. Number 5. Campbell Hausfeld TL140200 AV Impact Wrench. This tool from Campbell Hausfeld is a great choice that has 3-speed adjustable control that allows more precision over tightening and loosening bolts. Plus, users appreciated the ergonomic and comfortable rubber grip and did not mind the heavy 5.2-pound weight when holding the wrench for extended periods. The downside to this low-priced wrench is in the construction quality. Users found that the chrome on the hammer housing scratches and rusts relatively quickly, and in some cases, users noted that an internal part would come loose and cause a rattling sound.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.